Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. And here at Dherbs, we get tons and tons of health-related questions. But this week, we're gonna tackle food poisoning. And our first question comes from Trash Lurker. Why is it that people can't eat most raw meat without getting food poisoning, but carnivores can? This is fiction. Carnivores actually do get food poisoning. What's going on is they can actually just deal with it so much better than we can, and it has a lot to do with they've evolved in handling raw meat a whole lot better than us. What it boils down to is this: the hominid species that we evolved from have been using fires for hundreds of thousands of years now. Our digestive system isn't equipped to deal with poor quality meat, but cooked meat we can deal with fine. Our next question comes from Desaru. Why can't your liver prevent food poisoning? If you eat something bad, you would feel ill and possibly throw up. But why can't it pass through your liver to get rid of it? This is fiction. It's important to say food poisoning and foodborne illnesses are not the same. Foodborne illness is where you eat food that has bad bacteria in it, like Salmonella or E. coli. The bacteria replicates in your intestines and infects your body. Your immune system handles the infection, not your liver. Food poisoning is when the bacteria already exists in the food. And since it exists in the food, it creates toxins within that food. And that happens before you actually eat it. Cooking the food actually kills the bacteria, but it doesn't kill the toxins. So when your body begins to consume those toxins, you're literally poisoning yourself. And your body realizes it's no need to attempt to try to digest that food. So next thing you know, your defense system kicks into gear and you will begin to vomit that stuff out of your system. There's no reason for your liver to get involved. Our final question comes from Sojourning CPA. Great name. Why is uncooked chicken or turkey more likely to cause food poisoning versus a rare steak? This is a fact. Basically, it comes down to how quickly dangerous bacteria grow on meat after the animal is killed and where those bacteria grow. Look, when it comes down to beef that's correctly processed and not grounded up, the bacteria mainly grows on the part of the meat that is exposed to air. By cooking the outside, you kill a majority of the bacteria. There's still a risk of bacteria and parasites, but it's very, very low. But when it comes to chicken and turkey, it's very different in beef. The bacteria tends to grow all around the insides. The only way you're going to kill the bacteria in chicken and turkey is to cook it fully. You can't play with that. You have to cook it all the way. Thanks for watching Fact or Fiction. And if you have any questions that you want answered, you can email us at factoffiction@dherbs.com. Or you can message us on social media. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and don't forget to stay healthy.